You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can let crack jokes be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig review from Unice Hair. They sent over nails in the package. These packages are getting better. I love all the gifts that they send over. So this is the wig that we are doing. This is a Yaki Straight Bob 6x4.75. It has a deep parting space and it's a pre-cut lace. And as you can see, it has the breathable cap, 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and an adjustable strap. So it pretty much comes with everything you need. You don't need to do too much styling. As you guys can see, this is going to be a short video because this wig install is so easy and is very beginner friendly. So I'm just starting by putting on my black wig cap, and then I'm going to tint my lace. So I'm tinting my lace with my even tinting spray, and I'm also adding some of my foundation color so it can be the perfect color like my skin tone. And then we are just going to try it on. So the lace on the wig already comes pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So I just put it on and now I'm brushing it out. So I am going to do just a little bit to make it look a little bit better on me. The first thing I'm going to do is just touch up on that hairline. I want the wig to be seamless and match my skin perfectly, so I'm just adding my foundation color, and then I'm going to go over it with my foundation powder. Now we are going to get the top laying flat, so I'm using my wax stick, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb on the middle part. Okay, now I am just going to flat iron the hair all around. You see that it kind of had like a little curl at the bottom, so I want to just straighten that out. I don't have to do like a whole flat iron, intense flat ironing, because the hair was already pretty much, you know, straight and ready. I just have to fix up the ends a little bit. So I'm just going to flat iron my hair all the way around. What I will say about this wig is I didn't have any flyaways, and I always have flyaways when I have bob wigs, but this one I did not. Like, you don't see nothing sticking up, nothing. But I am gonna add a little bit of my frizz buster. I just like adding this stuff to like the top of my hair. It gives it like a nice little polished look. I didn't run it all the way through the hair because I don't want it to be greasy or anything. I just wanted the top to kind of have like a more of a polished look. And now I am going to define the part of my part on the wig. I'm just going to use my concealer to make it more defined and you can see it better, and I think it definitely makes a difference and it looks better and more natural. As you guys saw in the beginning, the up close shot of the part, it looks very realistic and nice. So y'all, I am done. This is the install. That was so easy, right? Like, you don't have to do anything major. Like I said, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. As you can see, the wig has a lot of body, it has a lot of movement, it has a beautiful luster on it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this Yaki Straight Bob wig, it's 14 inches and it's 6x4.75 pre-cut lace. I would definitely have the link and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.